Hello everyone and welcome back in the house. Just a short update because I've shown you already everything that I've done. So let's just flip the camera and talk a little bit about it. It is another weekend of work and the roadside upstairs room is mudded in between and everything is ready. It just needs to wait like a week to dry because it's really cold. And this actually does not help the drying process. Not much to be said. I just muddied all the joints and now they're ready for sanding. But what is cool is that I finally had the time and the inspiration to actually mud all the exposed cement, raw cement, on the doorways. As you know, this was like literally really rough cement and it could not stay like that. And what I did was take some of that fine mud that is used for joints and mixed it with some adhesive, cement adhesive, and I plastered that all over. It should not crack and it should be great. There are still a few coats that need to be done on it in order to make it smooth and to look good. Though I don't need to make it that smooth because the door frame is going to come here and it's going to mask a lot of things. The same I did on this side as well as the upper part of the door frame. I smoothed out the same cement side on this part as well with another coat. And I did the same all the way up here, as well as this thing and this one. So yeah, it's been 2 days of work, but I also had to move all these drywall sheets in order to make room to work on the other room. So yeah, it did take a while. What's left with mudding? Another coat of mudding on the bathroom ceiling, and this side of the staircase, as well as the technical room and the upstairs. But once that is done, I finally get to start working on the girders. And yeah, that's what I plan to do next weekend. Hopefully I will have time, and then it's going to be another 2 weeks. Let me just flip. And then it's going to be another 2 weeks before I make another update. Hopefully, unless the weather is bad, because it's my wife's birthday and we need to celebrate, and we're probably not going to work. All right, that's it. Sorry for the bad framing. I'm holding it wrong. I guess that's mostly it for today. It's a pretty short video. I didn't film it vertically because I don't want to make a short out of it, but I'm already way past 3 minutes and 0.5, but that matters because you don't want, I'm rambling. All right, enough. All right, if you enjoyed this content, me working around my house, and get ready for the girders. I can't wait to get the girders ready. That's the last thing that I have to do for the tower. And once that is done, I can order my in-floor heating for the tower. And that literally makes a livable room once that is in there. And that is going to be the first one that's going to be done with paint, and because that one is easy once I get the girders up. But that's like, oh man, that's a lot. All right, enough. My nose was itchy. All right, if you enjoyed the content, please, subscribe, like, and share it with a friend. All right, bye-bye. I'll see you in the next one.